Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two garage LED lights. So these are made to screw into an existing socket that you have in your garage ceiling. Typically, sometimes you have these sticking down from your ceiling. You just simply screw them in. Here's what they look like. Make sure you take the plastic cap off, and you're simply going to just screw it in to the light socket. You don't need to have it super tight, just kind of snug it down. Now this has 6 of those LED arms. This has 8. And they are movable, but you can't take them past this way. They won't go any farther that way. So let's turn them on and see how bright they are. Yeah, these things are really, really bright. I like that I can aim light to a different location in my garage. Again, here's just more of a close-up look. Again, these do move, but they stay wherever you put them. Okay, height from the electrical receptacles about 4 3/4. And same with this, about 4 3/4. So both of them are the same height from the electrical socket. Okay, so width, this one is 12 inches. This one is 13 inches. Backside looks a little different. This one's got a wire coming from the bottom to here, where this one, the wires are kind of more here, but you can see the hinges have screws that you can tighten if you need to. Now this one does say it's got the equivalent of 100 watts. Let's see what this one says. And this one is 200 watts. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.